Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.